How does the air you breathe on board stay clean? The combination of outside air and HEPA-filtered air is recirculated every 2 to 3 minutes, more frequent than standard building systems, like restaurants, grocery stores, even some hospitals. Let's take a look at exactly how it works. First, outside air is continually pulled in through the engines. Next, cabin air runs through a HEPA filter, removing 99.97% of particles, like viruses and bacteria. The outside air and HEPA-filtered air are then combined before entering the cabin. Air continually circulates through vents on the ceiling and vents near the floor. And to make it safer for everyone on board, the downward airflow from ceiling to floor minimizes the particle spread between rows. For more on how United is keeping you safer throughout the travel journey, visit united.com/clean plus.